Hello guys, el día de hoy estuvimos trabajando with the page, with our book, page number 107, 107, and we did these shapes, these trace the shapes, that's what we do, okay? Trace the square, this is a square, oh, está muy delgadito. Let me put a little bit. Okay, now let me see. Yeah, it's better. Okay, let's make the square. Como ustedes puedan. That's a square. Now, triangle. Triangle. Okay. Then a circle. Muy bien. Ah, ya me dolí. Ah, es que no está funcionando muy bien mi pencil. Bueno, pero nos vamos por aquí y listo. And then the rectangle. That's the last one. The rectangle. Ahora sí. We have four shapes: square, triangle, circle, and rectangle. Very good. Now we can match these objects with school or toys. What is it? ¿Ustedes qué creen que sea? School or toys? Well, I think the backpack is for the school. I think toys is the ball. Okay. And bueno, esto fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de hoy. Work with shapes, geometric shapes like this: square, triangle, rectangle, and sphere. Muy bien. Very good. Nos vemos el día de Monday. Have a great weekend and be good. See you later. Bye bye.